All right, well, Miss Penny gets extra walks because I'm a fat fuck. So this morning I had leftover mashed potatoes and chicken legs from yesterday because I didn't want any yesterday. I had 2 legs and the leftover mashed potatoes. Wasn't much. It's probably like a bowl. And then for lunch I had a bowl of a can of chili, a can of mixed veg, and 2 ramen. And 2 ramen is too much. So next time I will do 1 can of ramen. But Miss Penny here gets to reap the benefits. Come on, baby. Come on, we'll end with the park. You know that. Come on, let's go. Also, she's been a bit wound up today. Come on. Come on. Show me how good you can be. We're only going to do 1 lap. Weirdly, on the second lap, she was a lot better. Damn. Penny. Penny. You got to calm down, girl. Come on. Show us what a good girl you are. There you go. Look at that. See? There's a good girl. Looky there. Arm down. Loose leash. Happy dog. And now she's going to go around because that's what she does. But yeah, as you can see, everything is getting better. More or less. But then, yeah, she gets distracted and this shit happens. Hey. Hey. Ding, ding, ding. Come on. Come on, baby. Let's go. So yeah, I'm rewarding her because I'm a fat ass, and like I said, she's been a little wound up today, so hardly going to be the worst thing to give her an extra lap. So she'll be up to 3 laps, which is 6 miles plus 2 park trips. So hopefully this will tire her ass out a little. Again, I'm sorry I'm so terrible about getting her in frame. A reminder, I am blind. I can't really look at the phone that well. And yeah, I think I'm just gonna let this run out. Ooh, excuse me. Certainly not gonna be eating dinner tonight. I mean, it's only, what, 1:45? Something like that. So the usual MO is at 10 o'clock, well, 9:30, because someone can't wait. We do 2 laps, and then we end at the park, and whatever bug has crawled up her ass, we deal with, be it the, what I call floppy jalopy, which is this floppy frisbee that Janine bought her, that she loves, or one of her balls. The biggest one should be showing up today, apparently, but she'll play with it tomorrow, and I will be getting that on film, on video. Penny, hey, keep up, baby. That's her issue. Once she gets distracted, all the learning goes right out the window. We need to enroll you in the learning center. Come on, baby. Tired of dealing with this fucking thing. I'm just gonna have it around my hand here. But yeah, the issue is if I loose leash it, it's too loose. Drags on the ground. She gets all tangled up. So I gotta hold my damn arm up. Come on, baby. You going in the street is gonna get you hit one of these days. Oh, I'm just glad her heat went away. And no, I'm not going to elaborate further. just visually, I'm glad it went away. Personality-wise, she's calmed down a bit. Come on, that's enough of that shit. Come on, baby, let's go. Come on, it's okay. Now, I thought about just doing the collar, but I swear to God, Penny, quit getting distracted by shit on the ground. That's the worst part. Her scabbing is awful. Easily as bad as Chip's. And I think she's gaining weight. By the way, we got new food. We got the Kirkland stuff. So, she just started that today. I can't tell. I know I can't see her ribs anymore. Come on, baby. Come on, you can't be sniffing all fucking day. We gotta get moving. So there, I'm not wrapping it around my hand. I'm just holding on to it. And she is not needing as much, as many corrections until she gets distracted. Then she does. Good pee. Good girl. Come on, baby. Over here. Hey. Over here. Penny, for God's sakes. Don't go into that. Go on. Hey. Drop it. Come on, let's go, you silly butt. You're gonna make me wrap my damn hand again. In nighttime news, we went to bed at 9:30. Fell asleep. I fell asleep at about 10. Because, of course, my fucking knee wouldn't let me sleep. And, oh, there's another cool thing I do. I wrap it and catch it in my elbow. So she was down until 6:30. Didn't need to get up. Got up a few times to snuggle with me, but, you know, whatever. That's fine. So, that's coming around. Hey! Keep up, baby. Keep up! Yeah. Yeah, as you can see, not quite ready for the full leash, so I'm gonna wrap it back up. Damn it. Just do it this way. There we go. 1, 2, 3. There we go. See, plenty of loose. The thing is, I've tried like wrapping it other ways and it doesn't work. What are you doing? Are you sniffing or are you eating? You are sniffing, okay. Come on, baby. Get all your sniffers out. Because you got all your physical shit out yesterday. Maybe we'll be able to play with the white dog again. That's a fun little update. The neighbor who lives next to Teresa and Greg and Bubba, the cranky motherfucker, and Arrow, who doesn't like Penny. The neighbor lady is off on Monday, Tuesday, and she said we'll have to bring Penny in to play with her dogs, which is great. Because they're the ones that Penny's been playing with next to the house. In the grass. Which I forced because I don't want her kicking up a bunch of fucking rocks. You know, grass is healthier. Yeah, this is going to be a lengthy one, so strap yourselves in. Ugh. Is she? No, you can still see ribs. So, I might light load you tonight. The way you're eating shit off the ground, I might light load you. Only give you half a cup instead of 3/4. Okay, come on, baby. See, this is what happens. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on, keep up. It's like I'm using it like a fucking rearview mirror, this damn phone. You're gonna loop. Come on. No, you're not getting into that shit. But like you can see, it's been quite the challenge to actually get her ahead of me, as opposed to before when she was fucking doing that. Just non-stop hard tension. This isn't even hard tension, this is light tension. This is fine. So, the other reason I'm recording the whole thing is because I'm not going to be playing with her at the park, because we already did that today. So, I won't have to fucking deal with that. But, like I said, when she gets her big ball, go on, get your sniffers in. That's the thing, I can't tell if she's sniffing or she's eating. Hey, you don't get to go backwards. Come on. Now, I would like to work up to the collar, but I think the harness lets her know that we're going on a fun trip. Maybe I'll just put the harness on and then clip the leash to the collar once we get a better one. That one's kind of crap, considering the fucking leash has a rip in it already. But yeah, look how good you're doing, girl. See, I told you you'd learn. And in 19 days, no less. Here, I need to wrap up again. Hey, come on. There we go. Come on, baby. I do want to correct something. I said I was using Kevin's method. Apparently, I misunderstood what he was saying, and I wasn't using his method, so I have edited the video and edited out all instances of, well, not in the video, because I don't know how to do that, but like in the description and the title and shit like that. So, sorry, Kevin. Sorry, Kevin, I am still amazingly blind. I thought I was doing what you were saying, but apparently not. Come on, baby. Maybe I will let her run around a little at the park, depending on how many dogs are there. But probably not. Yeah, now she's dragging. Hey, don't you start dragging forward now. Come on, baby, keep up. There you go. Look at you being a good girl on your walk. Yes, you are. Checking in and being all loose leashed and shit. And see, the way I walk when she's going forward like this, that's more of a guidance to me. But, well, obviously when she's pulling too hard, you gotta put paid to that shit. So then you just stop and wait for her to calm her crazy ass down. What I'll probably do is wait until March, when she's a little older, hey, to get her better collar. Probably get one from Boss. Get a collar and leash set up like I had with Max, because for the brief time I had that thing, that fucker was rock solid. Come on, baby. Now's not time to get distracted. There you go. Come on, girl. There you go. Keep up. And I don't even view the distractions as a bad thing as such. That's just terrier shit. As we keep doing these, she'll get less and less distracted. Or she'll take corrections better, as evidenced. It's just learning the rules, learning the route, learning the routine. Whew. Yep. not eating like that again. That was an oopsie. I was like, I really want chili, and I know I need vegetables, and I know I need salt from the ramen, and I should not have had all of those. I should have just had one thing of ramen. I even fucking scalded my thumb because I, boiled it in a pot. I gotta put that away when I get home too. I put the pot to drain dry. And I've got the last of this fucking flu. Sniffling, snorting, and coughing all fucking day. Oh, it was so much worse earlier. Yeah, you can sniff of the grass. Give the grass your sniffers. Ah, somebody tagged it. Are you gonna go poop here? No, I didn't think so. Leave it. I may not be able to see much of the shit you eat, but I can see that. What are you doing, baby? Hey. Fuck. Come on, Benny. Hey, let's go this way. Come on, let's go this way. Here you go, baby. Here you go, baby. You're getting better. Yeah, you're getting better. Me, I view her at like 65% good, which is better than Chip ever got. Chip only ever got like 50% good. But he was endurance. She is not endurance, thank God. Come on, baby. Keep up. There you go. Hopefully this will tire you out. Fucking murder on my hand eventually. Like when she gets super pulley, oh God, it crushes the air right out. Hey, 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 what are you doing? For only being 30 pounds, well, 26 pounds, she's got some fucking pull to her. Like more than you'd think. Not Chip levels by any means, but like half a Chip levels. Penny! No going back. Come on. Now she's gonna sniff of the fucking fence because dogs live under there. She spent like 10 minutes trying to get in touch with them. That was pretty funny. Whew. But as you can see, doing a lot better. And it's just teaching her the routine, teaching her what's expected of her. She can't be running forward, she can't be standing backwards, she can't be going around circles. But if she's good, she'll get the sniffer she wants. But the harness will eventually be replaced with a service dog harness. And we will go off of collar. But I want her to finish growing, finish developing mentally, kind of get all our ducks in a row. So the service stuff isn't going to start until maybe next year, like fall at the earliest. And I've been using ChatGPT to bounce ideas off of, but I'm not just blindly trusting it. Like if it talks about arousal theory and the arousal bucket theory and shit, I actually looked that up. And yes, it is a real thing. And actually works with humans too. It explains some of my extreme coping mechanisms. my own bucket gets over full, just like hers does. And we both have a spin out, although neither of us have had a spin out at the same time because that's what the therapy is for. So I'm basically giving her therapy, teaching her it's okay to be calm. Hey, don't turn around. Come on, straight ahead, full steam ahead. There you go, you're being a good girl. And then when we get home, I'll give her a couple of treats, teaching her how to play guess paw too, where I hold a treat in one of my hands and she has to boop the hand with her paw. She'll boop it with her fucking nose, but I haven't quite gotten her to boop it with her paw. And last night was the closest she ever got to waiting for her food. She sat and I was almost bent down to put her food down. So it mostly is just dealing with her, the remnants of her puppy excitement, or just her natural terrier excitement. I don't know which is which. Come on, baby. You can't be stopping every 5 fucking minutes. Not here. Oh. Hormel chili, I swear to God. I've still got half of a pallet of it, so 6 cans, and then 6 cans of my veg, and I think I've had it for like 3 months, 4 months. I maybe have it once a month. I very rarely get a craving for that, but when I do, I always love it right until I regret it. Hey, what are you doing? Come on, let's go. Come on, silly. I'll probably never be some big trainer like I wanted to be, but damn sinuses. Having gone through these dogs like I have, and seeing all these different personalities, Kevin's theories are spot on. She knows that I am the one in charge. And she knows if she does good, she gets to lead a happy life. And then it's just a matter of teaching her what's allowed and what isn't allowed, and how best to do that. And that depends on the dog. With Max, Kevin's methods work like a charm. With Penny, a lighter touch seems to really go far. I just wish I had better eyesight so that I could do more of his things. Like, if I wanted her to not destroy my slippers like she did, finally, I need to catch her in the act. But the problem is I'm blind, I can't really catch her in the act. And she doesn't do it while I'm looking at her. Fucking ninja shit. Everything else, though, she just magpies. And, get it out of her crate, tell her no. Get it out of, to where she can't fucking get to it. It's a day-to-day process. As long as everything's improving bit by bit. And like a backslide on a day, just a bad day, shit happens. But when it does, as long as it doesn't become a pattern, it's fine. Come on, baby. Come on, that's enough of that shit. Come on, we're gonna go play at the park. And by that I mean we're gonna walk around at the park. She already played at the park today. Speaking of chat GPT and AI and shit, I'm getting sick of people hating it for no reason. It is a tool, just like everything else. And I'm using it as a tool. I'm using it as a sounding board. Sometimes I use it to make art for my single player stuff, like Pathfinder, Rogue Trader, shit like that. I'm not trying to pass it off as anything big or important. I'm not trying to say it's doing work that I'm doing. It is merely helping me organize my tumultuous thoughts because ADD sucks. Come on, baby. You always want to do that. Oh, this one flew by. Yeah. Over here. And now she's getting excited. Come on, baby. Come on, Penny. Hey, Penny. Good girl. She's slowly learning. Maybe I ought to let her off the leash at the park. In the back where we go. We'll see how many people are there. It might be fun to get on video. God, it feels nice to let my fucking arm down. Hey, leave it. I saw color. 50 degrees today. It is February 4th, 2026. Wait a minute. Hey, Penny. Penny. I knew you were eating something. What are you eating? Drop it. Hey. Drop. Drop it. You little turd. Drop it now. Hey. Give me that. You're getting better at that. Come here, come here, come here, come here. You do not get to eat whatever you want. Drop it. Oh, you little shit. Ketchup. No. No. No eating. Ugh. Here, clean my hands. Turd. No. Ugh. Ugh. Well, I hope you liked your sugar shock. That's what I get for holding it in the fucking... Oh, God. I'm glad I'm doing laundry tomorrow. Fucking dog. Come on, baby. You little twerp. You are just as bad as Chip was. No scabbing food. You know better. That's kind of the problem. If she scabs something and I can't see it, sorry for the sniffling, by the way, I can't get it. So I have to wait until I can actually see it. If she's smart enough, eventually she will just keep her mouth shut when I notice she's got something in it and just wait it out. What are you doing? Did the plant confuse you? Come on, Goober. Let's go. Yeah. Service work's a long time off for you, babe. But I don't think it's impossible. I think you just need to not get so fucking distracted. And luckily, the times where I'll need you will be so few and far between in terms of like going places and shit that you should be okay. Like, I'm trying to think like Leavenworth and say we go on a trip, doctor's appointment, post-surgery. Who knows? But most days it'll just be like this. If only I had someone to share this with. All this good news. Oh well. Like, I bitch, but not that much, because she's largely a pretty good dog. And I mean, her finding shit off the ground to scab, that's just dog behavior. And I mean, what did she get into? A fucking ketchup packet. Come on, let's go. Forward. There you go. That's the worst part when she fucking turns around on me. Then I gotta drag her forward like this. Because, oh man, it hurts. A lot of pressure on the wrist. Come on, baby. What is it, half an hour? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Almost fucking ran into you. Luckily, I was able to push her out of the way with my boot instead of stepping on her fucking ankle and breaking it. Fucking kids. I hate living here. I love the park. I hate the school. Come on, baby. All right. Yeah, you're starting to go a little fast, but I want to get the fuck out of this place. There we go. Come on, baby, keep up. I know! We don't get to go across the street. Come down, come on. Come on, come down. Thank you. Whoa. Penny, you have got to be careful. Now she's gonna sniff out all this crap. Damn. Stupid sinuses. This fucking thing ain't going without a fight. I wonder if it was COVID. Those fucking vaccines, yeah, they sure stopped COVID from happening, didn't they? About as useless as a fucking flu shot if you have an immune system worth half a damn. Alright. Alright. Oy, oy, oy. Hey, come on. Here you go. Hey. What, you want to come up? Here, you want to come up? Oh, there, my baby. You having fun on the walk? Hey, you having fun? Are we going to the park? What the fuck was that? You're a weird dog. Why are you such a weirdo? Oh, that's why. You got your leg caught. Hang on, hang on, hang on. There we go. All right. Hey, baby, 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 baby. There we go. Oh, you didn't. Not again. Hey, Penny. Okay. Thought you might have grabbed some food again. Hey. Come on. Come on, baby. Let's go. Hey. Come on. No. Hey. Oh. Come on. Penny, come on. We're going. Come on, it's okay. Come on, let's go. So much for getting you off the fucking leash. Penny, be careful, for God's sakes. Usually you run away from people. What the fuck? So in case the phone didn't pick that up, it looked like a couple and a kid. And she was very excited about that for some reason. God damn it. Dayquil, you are not doing your job. How's my baby? Yeah, you don't get to go off leash this time. But I'll give you the full length of it, at least. What are you doing? Yeah, we're going to the park. So this is where we play. Far end of the park. Far corner by design. Keeps her away from other people. Keeps the distractions to a minimum. Until I can train her recall, which, we're getting there. That one will probably be a while, because terrier brain, when she gets excited, won't nothing stop her. Damn it. What are you doing? What are you doing, Bubby? Yeah, I was about to let you off, and then I saw you look the other way. That is not happening. You want to lay down? You want to roll over? You want to play? Oh, you do want to play, huh? Haven't you played enough? I'll bet I overstimulated you, and now I'm going to have a bitch of a time trying to get you to go back to sleep. Leave it. Don't know what it is, don't care, don't want you fucking with it. And it's February, so in a month or two, fucking allergy season, so the sniffles are not going away. And this is after taking like fucking maximum amount of Mucinex and a Tezspire shot and fucking Montelicast and Wixella, which is basically just Advair but cheaper. That's how bad my lungs are. Just throwing shit into my throat. Penny! Hey, Penny! Penny! Hey! Come here, baby! You pain in my ass. Penny! Hey! Hey! Come here! Penny, where my baby? Where my baby? Where my baby? Come here! Hey! Come here, you little butt. Yeah, you having fun on your walk? Here. Where is it? Oh, you were stepping on it. See, that is your issue. The second you are distracted, case in point, and that shit right there is why I'm not using a fucking collar on her. Because, Jesus Christ, can you imagine? I don't know what she sees. I don't really care. But we're probably going to go home after this. Ah. Come on, they're not interested, Penny. Come on, they're not interested. Come Come on, they're doing their own thing. Hey, come here. Come on. I know, they're doing their own thing, man. Look, if they'd have stopped, I'd have asked. But they didn't stop. They're doing their own thing. That is my rule. I let people see her being all excited, and if they want their dog to play, they will let me know. Or I will call out friendly. Come on, let's go. Come on, we're gonna go see your other friends. But yeah, whenever she's distracted in any way, all learning goes right out the window. And that's a terrier thing, and I don't know how to deal with that, other than to just laugh it off. Because, I mean, it is kind of funny. But now look at her. Now she's, perfectly okay. That's the other thing, her recovery has gotten a lot better. Just her being wigged out doesn't stick around too long. Since we're about to leave the park, I'm going to wrap up again. There we go. Yes, you can sniff her. Come on, you can sniff her. It's fine. God knows I've been doing enough of it. Come on, baby. Let's go. Nope. Nope. We're going this way. Come on. Hey. Come on, let's go. Come on, baby. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. What are you doing? What are you doing? Yeah, you might have more energy to burn. Well, here's hoping your dog friends are out back. And she is behind me. There she is. Oh, yeah. You can sniff your bush. Ugh. God fucking damn it. Oh, Christ alive. Isn't asthma fun? This ought to tell you why I can't work. Even after fucking years of losing weight. 4 years now of losing weight and keeping it off. Lungs are healthier than they've ever been. I'm still drowning in a sea of mucus and all this other bullshit. That's COPD. That's asthma. Oh well, enough of that bullshit. You having a good sniffer? All right, let's go. Although I'll be surprised them fuckers are out again. But if they are, it'll be a happy surprise. I'm amazed they haven't gotten out. Just giving him a slapdash, the fucking setup is there. Come on, baby. Come on. Someday we need to recreate the old Chip scene where Penny is sitting in the driver's seat and I'm sitting in the passenger with my fucking blind cane. Oh, that'll make a great avatar. I'm gonna work on that later. Come on, baby. on, girl. Come on, we're not going back. Come on, keep up. So, we will be approaching Bubba and Arrow's house, and the one on the corner is the dog she's allowed to play with, and I wish to God I remember that lady's name. I think it either starts with an A or an M. Whatever. Shit. Somebody's there, but I can't tell who. Come on. Come on, let's go this way. Oh, I know you're excited. Come on, baby. Penny, I don't think they're out here. But yeah, we go around the corner, and this is where Chip used to shit. Is this whole area. No. Go to your fence. Yeah, look at this fucking thing. I'm amazed that they haven't skipped through it. But the block tells me they must have. But yeah, they bark and she jumps and it's all fun. They're not here. Come on, let's go. Penny, leave it. That's how you're gaining weight, you big fuck. You're eating shit off the ground. Let's start cutting your food if I fucking could gauge it. No, just cut her treats. What treats, exactly? She gets treats when she's learning commands. And she doesn't need to know that many commands. Not yet. Alright. You gonna go potty, baby? This is her bathroom. If you gotta go, you better go quick. That was the other dog. You were a good girl, not barking. You okay? Alright, you gonna go potty anymore? Hey, Penny. Hey, you gonna go potty? You good? You gonna go pee? No? Alright. Back home we go. Hope she pinched that loaf off. Dogs live here. Pain in the ass dogs live here that I'm not going to let her meet because they're never on leash. Ryan and Rachel live here, and then us. So that has been her walk. Hope you all enjoyed this almost hour-long video. I've been Ryan. She's been Penny. And we will see you all next time.